Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in for this week's market outlook from XNES. As usual, we're going to be checking on a potential trading idea, but before we do that, let's check on the performance of last week's idea. Last week's idea was about Bitcoin and a potential long position reaching about 18,000 level. The idea was valid with a spike that went well above the 18,000 mark, validating the trading idea of last week. Joining us here today is Stanislav Pernikov, trading specialist here at XNES, to provide the trading idea for this week. Hello Stan, and thanks for joining us today.
Hello Andreas, thank you for having me today.
So what are your thoughts about this week's potential trading idea?
So let's see what we have for today. This is the last week of the month and the end of the year, and I think that the chance of getting Christmas rally for stocks and cryptos is actually diminishing because everybody is concerned about the recession. Recession indicators are flashing here and there, so nobody is going to take big positions ahead of long holidays this week. However, something interesting is building in currency markets. Recently, Bank of Japan had raised the ceiling for yields for 10-year bonds, meaning that the Japanese yen actually grew substantially following this news. And as we know, the carry trade operations between Japanese yen and the US dollar have been quite a large pie of currency operations so far. So now the yen is strengthening and the American dollar is weakening. So I think that the potential short for USDJPY would be very logical in this situation. If we take a look at the chart, we will see that we had a large distribution day for USDJPY so far. And if you want to join this trend, so it's reasonable to wait a pullback for the USDJPY towards the resistance area of between 132 and 134, and if the price reaches this level, so I think that one may build a short position heading towards at least 128, meaning that Japanese yen can strengthen for at least 5%.
Okay, so in summary, the trading idea for this week is a potential short position on USDJPY with a potential target reaching about 128 after some retracement around the 133-134 price area. So which factors are affecting this trading idea, and what do traders need to pay attention to if they're going to proceed with taking this trade?
Regarding American dollar, we'll have publication of GDP for the United States later in the week. So it's not a forward-looking indicator because GDP is usually published for the previous quarter or it's revised for the previous, 2 quarters or something like that. But in this case, it would be additional for understanding or for evaluating the odds of the potential recession. In case GDP is stronger than anticipated, we might see actually American dollar rebounding, and that's possible. And for now, expectations for GDP are positive, so it's 2.9% versus negative number for the previous quarter. So let's see what we will get from this. I don't think it will change a lot, but in case there would be any surprises from the GDP standpoint, so definitely it may affect American dollar and all other markets as well.
Okay, so in summary, the potential idea for this week is a potential short position on USDJPY after some retracement around the 132-134 price area with a potential target of around 128. The factors affecting is the shift in the hawkishness from Bank of Japan. The Christmas rally that usually happens around the year end will not be so strong for this year, possibly shifting the interest of the traders in the Forex pairs instead of the stock market, and also the shift in yields of currencies, especially USD and JPY, is affecting this trade. Thank you, Stan, for providing the trading idea about the USD JPY for this week.
Thank you, Andreas. Have a good trading week ahead, everyone.